How to change email on Oculus account. Welcome to Let Me Help, and let's get right into this easy tutorial. For this, you need to open up your Play Store or App Store if you have not installed your MetaQuest app or your Oculus application. Just search for MetaQuest or Oculus. Select on the MetaQuest app and tap on the Install button. If not, select on the Open button. Make sure to log in if you have not logged in yet. In order to change your email on Oculus account, tap on the menu icon or the three horizontal line. Head to Settings and click on Account Center. Under Account Setting, enter Personal Details. Select Contact Information. Tap on the email address that you want to change. Firstly, you can tap on Delete Email or just directly tap on Add an account or email. Then just select an account which will be linked with the current email address. Then now all you have to do is enter the password of the account, then enter the new email address. By this way, you'll be able to change email on Oculus app. Isn't it simple? Make sure to go ahead and give it a try, and thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you very soon.